Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add direct deposit on Paylocity in 2025. For that, first of all, come on paylocity.com website and over here click on this login option. Provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. Now once this step is done, you need to first of all decide on a payroll provider. So if you don't have one, you need to set up already. You will need a payroll provider that offer direct deposit services. You can do this either through your bank or with dedicated HR and payroll software. The second thing that you need to do is to simply connect your bank. So set up direct deposit through your bank's online banking portal. They will ask you to sign as ACH terms and conditions form for approval. They may also ask for financial statements to ensure that you can pay. In the third step, you need to collect the information from your employees. So you need to start onboarding employees into your new system by gathering their up-to-date information. In the fourth step, you need to create a payroll schedule, and it is going to take 7 to 10 days for your direct deposit to actually activate. So make sure that you are setting this up well before your first payroll date. If you use the time cards, you need to decide on a lead time for submitting those in the system. Then you can run the payroll. So you need to check with your bank that direct deposit has been activated. If so, you are ready to run your first payroll with it. So make sure that you know when employees can expect their payroll to appear in their bank account. So this is how you can set up direct deposit for your employees. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.